everyone, in this video we will do a quick comparison of two leading website translation plugins, which is WPML and Conveythis. If you're interested to find out more, sit down and let's go. So, to do the comparison, we've done 4 categories. We will going to compare them. Is it ease of integration, ease of customization, ease of proofreading, and search engine optimization abilities. Here on the board, a quick comparison, and let's do it line by line. First one is the integration. Is how easy it is to download, activate, and integrate the plugin into your WordPress or any other CMS. As you might know, there are different websites out there, not just WordPress, even though it dominates the niche with the 28% of overall website traffic and website construction. It's still not the majority of the solutions. So the ease of custom integration is, if you just consider WordPress, I think it's easy to integrate because it's natively supports into the imports into the database and extracts the strings over there. Same goes for Conveythis. It also integrates well into WordPress, but on top of it, it also integrates into any other CMS, including your own custom-made CMS. As long as your website supports JavaScript, you can integrate Conveythis. Number 2 category is the customization. It's how easy for you to customize your web language switcher into a different appearance. Do you want your flags to be displayed? Do you want them to be round shape, square, rectangle, or no flags? Do you want to show name of the language or a concatenated length of the language, or no indication of the language, like just displaying the flags? So by saying that, I mean that's what we call the customization. Unfortunately, WPML does not allow you to do that, but Conveythis has all these features. You can move around the button on the page, you can integrate it freely into menus, div ID elements in your custom CSS, and so on and so on. Number 3 category is how easy it is to proofread the machine translation. As you know, all these plugins, they pre-translate the source text with the machine translators, and then if you're going to use this translation into production, you might want to proofread it. And WPML has some built-in features, but Conveythis really exceeds the expectations because it has both interface. The graphical user interface, you can be no professional in handling the export and import of database strings. You can do it inside of your browser, looking at the outcome of your web page and making the changes on the web page live. As well as it also has the conservative string translation interface. So it has both ways to do that. And on top of that, you can also hire professional translators. Currently, Conveythis partners with Translation Services USA, the leading New York-based translation company, and they can also bring you the professional linguists in Arabic, in French, in German, in Chinese, all those languages, and they can quicker translate your web page, and therefore it will convert better your incoming leads and you'll have more traffic. So that leads me to the 4th point, which is search engine optimization part. Is your plugin going to make your ultimately to you more money? Are you going to make more money because you're going to have more visitors on your website from the foreign language? Let's admit it, English is not the majority language online anymore. It's now popular in Arabic, in Spanish, in French, and all other CMSs. And the plugin that does that, which allows you to cache those pages into a separate locations, and then Googlebot can come and index those pages, and therefore it will bring the traffic. So Conveythis exceeds in that parameter because by our own conducted study, Conveythis users who install and activate the plugin into 5 major languages such as Arabic, Spanish, French, Russian, and Chinese they had seen the increase up to 50% in organic search traffic without any work done on the website. Just to install the plugin, activating it, and bring in the foreign traffic. So that concludes this presentation. We compared WPML plugin and Conveythis website translation plugin, and it's up to you to decide which one you're going to use in your business setup. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.